meet at the Arnold Educational in Columbus, Ohio.
Yep, looking forward to that. we haven't been there for, well, it's been 2 years since the Arnold, from the breakout COVID. So it's going to be really good to get back and see some old friends and be part of the Arnold Education series. I saw your advert that you put out today, so that was really good. That you'll be one of the guest speakers at the Arnold Education.
Yeah, we have the round table with Rick Collins on Friday morning local time, starting at time 9 o'clock. And then on Saturday, I'm going to speak about the replacement therapy in retired bodybuilders and the harm reduction in steroid users it's on Saturday, 11 a.m.
Oh, okay. And Friday as well?
Friday, yeah, it's the opening of the round table on the seminar with Eric Serrano and Rick Collins at 9 a.m.
Okay, so both times.
Yeah, you were there last time.
Yeah, I was there last time as well, so I'll be there again. And then we will film another episode or edition when we're there.